Welcome back everyone, it's me Philipp from Pink Tassel and I'm thrilled to have you on my channel. It is time for a new DIY project and you see that I'm holding a new lamp. So with no further ado, let's begin our project. I took the entire lamp apart, cleaned it with a brush, so I'm ready to start painting. Today I want to try something new, so I decided to use a spray paint for this project. I got a few different options. I got some copper, black and blue mist, so I'm not sure how exactly I'm gonna paint it, but I'm definitely gonna start from copper and then we'll see. Well, let me stop myself here because my idea to use spray paint didn't work. I didn't like the finish and I think the entire metallic color made the entire lamp very cheap. So instead I decided to use one of my favorite chalk paint and let me tell you, the lamp looks much better. Now I continue to add additional colors like gold and blue and I hope we'll get a very beautiful result. And we are done! Just look at this lamp. I think it turned out so different and so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Hit the bell button so you always know when I post a new video. And I'll see you very soon.